Your flavor? Tell me what's your flavor? What's your flavor? Tell me what's your flavor?
Ciao Flava, my name is Johnny Junnan. Today, I'll be showing you how to make the best chicken chop suey. To make this for awesome chop suey, these are the ingredients you're gonna need. We start with some ginger, onion, garlic, vermicelli, chili flakes, some olive oil, and some soy sauce, thick soy sauce. Why is this good? Because why? Johnny said so. Okay, let's get started. First of all, we need one of these Johnny's knife. Start with chopping up some onions. Voila. Now we're gonna move on to ginger, or fiu in Samoan that is. Best way to do it, just peel it with the knife. Just go, oh, look at that. Bang, look at that. It's a nice flavor, but you don't want to have a big mouth of ginger. Clove garlic, here we go. Look at that, little squash. Skin comes off. Look at that, that's your garlic done. And we're almost ready for cooking. Today I'll be using a wok, so we're gonna heat up 2 tablespoons of oil on the stove. While that's heating up, we're gonna show you how to chop up that chicken. Easy when you get into the joint, chop it up, and look at that, just fall to bits. We're ready to cook. We got our onions and our ginger. First of all, we're gonna brown them, and then we'll add our chickens. Look at that. If you see blood, it's not cooked, so be careful with chicken. So at the moment, we got the chicken browning with our onion and our ginger. So in here, this bowl of warm water, and we got our vermicelli. Just immerse that into some warm water. I think we're ready for the soy sauce to go in. Just add roughly, say, 2 tablespoons. Okay, our chicken's ready. It's all brown, so we're ready for our last ingredients, the frozen veggies and our vermicelli into the with our chicken. We then put the garlic in, and the reason why I put the garlic last is because you don't want to lose the flavor of the garlic. Here's our chili. I'm just going to add just that much. So here we go. This is chop suey. Yes, it is. Here we go. So we'll put some of that across. Cut into that chicken. Primo. Qua seki al chop suey Johnny. Ah, buff guy.